Imagine you're standing at the start of a Subway Surfers run. The train horns are blowing, the tracks are endless, and ahead of you are countless golden coins scattered everywhere. You don't have any special powers yet, no hoverboard, no jetpack, no magnet. All you have is your courage, and the choice to take the very first step. Life works the same way. Success looks like an endless track. At the beginning, it feels intimidating. You look at the big dreams you have, building a career, starting a business, becoming financially free, or living your passion, and it feels impossible. Just like Subway Surfers, where you wonder, how will I ever collect enough coins to unlock something amazing? But the truth is simple, every coin counts, and every small effort builds your success. The first coin, starting small. At the start of the game, the very first coin you collect doesn't feel like much. It's just one coin. You need thousands more to unlock new characters or hoverboards. But without that single coin, without that single start, you'll never reach your goal. In life, it's the same. Maybe it's your first workout at the gym. Maybe it's your first dollar saved. Maybe it's your first line of code as a beginner programmer. Maybe it's the first page you write for a book you dream of publishing. That single effort feels small, almost meaningless, but it's the start of everything. The small steps build momentum. As you run further in Subway Surfers, you keep collecting coin after coin. At first, it's slow. But then you grab a magnet, and suddenly every coin around you is pulled toward you. Your momentum builds. Life is like that too. The first small steps you take are slow, but as you build consistency, you find momentum. When you read one page a day, soon you finish books. When you save a little every week, one day you'll have enough to invest. When you practice your skill daily, you'll suddenly notice you're better than most people who never started. Momentum is the secret weapon of success. And momentum only starts when you choose to pick up that first coin. Dodging obstacles, the struggles of the journey. But success isn't just about collecting coins. In Subway Surfers, there are always obstacles, trains in your way, barriers, policemen chasing you. Life also throws distractions, failures, and difficulties. Maybe you fail an exam. Maybe your business doesn't work out. Maybe you get rejected in an interview. Maybe people laugh at your dreams. But here's the truth, every obstacle you dodge, every failure you rise from, every barrier you cross, it makes you stronger. It teaches you how to survive longer in the game of life. In Subway Surfers, if you hit an obstacle, you lose the chance to collect more coins. In life, if you give up when problems come, you lose the chance to collect the rewards waiting for you. Think about the joy of getting a magnet in Subway Surfers. Suddenly, you don't have to run toward coins, they come to you. Or the jetpack that lifts you above the tracks, giving you a free path filled with coins. These are power-ups that accelerate your success. In life, your power-ups are your habits. A good habit of waking up early is like a magnet, it pulls productivity toward you. A habit of saving money is like a shield, it protects you from future financial crashes. A habit of learning daily is like a jetpack, it lifts you above the crowd and gives you opportunities others can't see. Habits are your life's upgrades. Without them, your progress is slow. With them, your growth multiplies. The long run, consistency over time. Subway Surfers has no finish line. The game goes on endlessly, testing how long you can stay focused, consistent, and careful. Life is similar. Success isn't a one-time achievement, it's a continuous journey. You don't go to the gym once and get fit forever. You don't save money once and become rich. You don't work hard one day and become successful. You run every single day. You collect your coins every single day. You put in effort every single day. Success is built on long runs, not short sprints. The reward, turning coins into achievements. After a long run, when you finally collect thousands of coins, you unlock something new, maybe a new character, maybe a hoverboard, maybe a special upgrade. That's the sweetest moment in the game, the moment when all your small coins add up into something great. Life works exactly the same way. Saving small amounts every month can turn into owning your dream home. Practicing a skill every day can turn into a career. Being kind daily can turn into powerful relationships. The small efforts you once ignored transform into the success you once dreamed of. Real-life example, the power of small efforts. Think about Thomas Edison, who failed thousands of times before creating the light bulb. Each failure was like collecting a small coin. It didn't seem valuable at the time, but together, they built his great invention. Or think about athletes who practice for years. Each practice session feels like a small coin, but one day, it becomes the gold medal. Or even think about your own life. Every time you studied for a test, every time you practiced your skill, every small effort you made, it all added up to the person you are today. So the lesson is clear. Never underestimate the power of small steps. Never ignore the small efforts you make today. They may feel tiny, but they are coins in the bank of your future success. One day, when you look back, you'll realize, those small steps weren't small at all. They were the very foundation of your big success. Life is like Subway Surfers. The track is endless. The challenges never stop. But the coins are always there, waiting to be collected. So don't stand still. Start running. Start collecting. Start building your future, one coin at a time. Because in the end, every coin counts, and every step you take brings you closer to the success you deserve.